Hey guys, so if you want to use a domain purchased on Wix with hosting on services from GoDaddy, here's exactly how to connect them. So you need to open GoDaddy and of course log into your account, go to My Products, Domains, add a domain or connect existing domain. You'll need your Wix domain ready to point to GoDaddy. And then log into your Wix account, go to Domains, Manage Domains. So it's done in here. In your setup, you go to Settings, then you have Domains, and in here you can do this. In Wix, you can find Advanced DNS/Name Service. You have two options. Change name service, so for that, replace Wix name service with GoDaddy name service from your GoDaddy account. And update a record. Point your domain's a record to the GoDaddy server IP if you prefer not to change name service. And then save your changes. In GoDaddy, check the domain status. If you updated name service or a records correctly, GoDaddy will detect the connection after DNS propagation, which can take a few minutes to 24 to 48 hours. And once that propagation is complete, time your domain into a browser. It should now point to your GoDaddy hosting or services. And yeah, pretty simple. That's how you connect your Wix to GoDaddy. If you enjoy our tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon.